there, this is Diamond with WTI, and I know not everyone likes talking about their time of the month, but let me show you this product that has changed my life personally. I've been using these menstrual cups for going on 10 years, and I absolutely love it. The material is great. It's made from a medical silicone material, and it is painless. And let me tell you, I have never experienced such great comfort with anything else that I have tried. It's really easy to use. All you have to do is fold it, put it in, and what I like most is I can wear this all day with not having any accidents. I can wear them at work and not having to worry about changing anything. When I actually discovered these, it was actually, we were going on a camping trip and I was so stressed out for myself being on the time of the month. I discovered these. I'm really glad I ordered them. I know you will too. They have a really nice case that comes with it. This is a 2-pack. This case is so cute. It fits in your car, it fits in your purse. You could have an extra one in your locker at work. Whatever the case is, you need this in your life. It is very comfortable. I know you will love it just as much as I do. It's really easy to put in. Don't be afraid of it. And that is just our point of view.